everyone, this is Katie with DK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our February mystery kit. I'm so excited to show you what this kit looks like. I do want to let you know, if you have not signed up yet for our mystery subscriptions, spots are now open for March. I'll include more details about our mystery kit subscription below in the description box if you're interested, and there's also a link to our website if you do want to subscribe today. So these kits are exclusive to our mystery kit subscription, so you will not see it in our actual shop. It's only for the subscription, and the artwork is exclusive as well, as Dawn creates it herself. So I'm just going to jump in and show you what these beautiful pages look like, what these beautiful stickers look like, and then I'm going to create a spread in my Happy Planner for the week of Valentine's Day. So for this subscription, you get 9 pages of stickers and then a bonus item as well. So for this month, our bonus item is a little washi paper sampler that has items that really match with this month's kit. So first, let me show you what the sampler looks like. And then I'm going to show you the full kit. So this is washi paper sampler. So the actual sticker paper is washi paper. So I really love the washi paper stickers just because it has like, it's not completely see-through, but it's somewhat see-through. And I like also like the texture of it too, because it's different from just our regular standard sticker paper. So that's fun. So we have some foil on here. We have some foiled heart strips. And then we have some heart, little cute decorative stickers. Be My Boo on this little heart balloon. Happy Valentine's Day. A little Cupid with an arrow. How cute is that? And then a couple of watercolor swatches. I love using watercolor swatches in my spreads. I think it's just super fun, and it just adds like it like makes it look more like delicate, but also like more dynamic. I like to say the word dynamic a lot, but like it really like adds kind of more of like a journalish flair to your spreads. And so this is in gold foil. So the rest of this kit, the standard kit is gold foil too, which is perfect for Valentine's Day and also perfect for the color theme of this kit being like a nice soft pink. So here's the first page with the full boxes, and it's just, there's just so much to look at, and I just love how like girly and delicate the artwork is. So we have like a heart box with chocolates in it, or yeah, like truffles, chocolates. And then we have this adorable little bear holding some roses and some balloons. Be My Boo. How perfect is that? And then Happy Valentine's Day box with some florals and a heart. And then we have the Eiffel Tower in the background there, because it's like, isn't it like the city of love, Paris? It's like perfect for Valentine's Day. And we have that Cupid and some hearts with that foil, like a little love note down here, some cute chic glasses. And then we have like a little boutique storefront down here, and a couple of gold banners with hearts dripping down from it. And it looks like a floral shop, actually, kind of like a boutique floral shop and floral / coffee shop. And then we have some coffee over here with a gold spoon, some papers, super pretty. Next page, we have our Monday through Sunday at the top. I love this font too. I just think it's so pretty, a pretty script for the Monday through Sunday. And then we have some like swatches behind it, kind of like matching along with our watercolor themes that we do. And then we have the washi strips. This says love in it, love and script on it. And then this has kind of like those florals in the background. So pretty. Then we have our 3 heart checklist boxes. So Dawn made those into hearts to really match with the kit. We have some flags up here, the little movie sign where you can write what you're watching, some extra circles down here that you can use, and then a couple layering pieces. Then we have some of our box divider strips that are kind of scalloped, and then our bow dividers, and then our half scallop circles, and then some thinner washi strips at the bottom. We have some roses and then the watercolor pink. I love the color pink, so this kit is like perfect for me. And then we have a couple of full boxes over here too. We have like a bundle of roses, and then we have like a little champagne, and we have some champagne and ice and a yummy looking cupcake. We have our Monday through Sunday box. And then this is kind of like the, oops. And this, we have some circles over here. And then it's a little hard to see without me taking it off, but we have some like corner pieces that you can use in boxes. Our heart date dots, a weekend script, and then some decorative foil functional pieces over here. Then we have the functional page with also the habit tracker boxes in the middle, and some foil deco with that. Our headers and glitter headers for functionality and also to be decorative. Our icons over here, and then our Fashion Girl pages on the right, or Fashion Girl boxes on the right. Just look how cute. I love how she has gray hair. That's fun. We have like a couple looking at the Eiffel Tower, a couple of girls holding like a bunch of presents. And then the last page is the deco page. So we have some more girls on here. I love that dress. That's super cute. Have an Eiffel Tower, a bow, a letter, a couple letters. Just very cute, whimsy decos that fit with this kit. So this is the full kit. So now I'm going to jump into my happy planner, and I'm going to start planning for the week of Valentine's Day, the 14th. So I'm actually just going to plan in it and jump ahead and show you what it looks like when I'm done planning. Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you my final spread. I'm so excited. I love how this looks. And here we go. I love all the pinks. It's so bright and vibrant. I'll kind of like do some close-ups on this for you. I love also the bonus add-on washi stickers that I layered onto this. I think it just pulled it all together, to be honest. So I have my weekly overview, when I'm gonna track probably my meals for that week. And then I have each day one of these 3 heart checklist boxes, except for Sunday, because those are my days off. To like track the things that I need to do for that day. And then I made sure to leave some empty spaces so that I can write, but I still managed to get quite a few stickers on here. I'm one of those people that likes less white space on my spreads. My favorite parts of my spread that I made probably has to be these 2 parts where I have the washi swatches in the background of the decos. I think it's super gorgeous looking, and also I absolutely love that dress she's wearing there, and then the Eiffel Tower is just perfect with this kit. Let me know what you think of this month's mystery kit, February's mystery kit, in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated on our reveals and plan with me's and our shop in general. If you want to sign up for March's mystery kit, click the link below and you can sign up today. There's more info on that page on our website. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you all have, as always, a fabulous rest of your month. Thank you all.